I'm Muslim, but I'm smoke.
Why? You're
It's
Muslim.
normal.
That is actually
I'm
prohibited in
I'm
Islam.
not.
You know what? I never ever had a smoke in my life. I never done this. I don't do this
Oh,
ever
good,
in my life.
good.
Hello, how are you?
Mm. Hello, I'm Sophia.
I'm Gazi Nahian.
Nahian.
And
Oh, Gazan 67.
yeah, where are you from?
My from is Kazakhstan.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Um, I drink in Coca-Cola.
Listen, you actually should leave Coca-Cola. You can use another brand, not Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is produced in Israel, America. So this kind of product should be removed. Don't use Coca-Cola.
Ah, Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yay, I like it.
You like it, yes. That's good. Where do you live in Kazakhstan?
Astana.
Astana. I want to visit your city, Astana.
Um, yeah,
Okay, and you're Muslim?
yes.
Alhamdulillah. I'm also Muslim.
Oh, thank you. Oh, very good.
So say La ilaha illallahu.
Yes,
So you say that? You don't know that?
I'm Muslim.
Yeah, you're
I
Muslim.
know um La
Ilaha
ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
Muhammadur
Muhammadur
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Yeah, you don't know this?
True, true.
Little.
My dad is namaz.
Oh, your dad do namaz.
Yes,
Yeah, but you don't do.
every day.
Yeah, good, good. But you don't do namaz?
Yes.
Can you recite Surah Fatiha?
Фатиха.
Yeah.
Фатиха как начинается?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
أعوذ بالله الشيطان الرجيم.
Mm.
بسم الله
Rahmanirrahim.
الرحمن الرحمن الرحيم.
Yeah.
الرحمن الرحيم.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين.
Yeah. Iyaka na'budu
إياك نعبد
wa iyaka nasta'in.
وإياك نستعين.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, good. Thank you. I'm Muslim, but I'm smoke.
Why? You're
It's
Muslim.
normal.
Yeah, I know. It's very normal in your country having a smoke, drinking, or doing something else. That is actually
I'm
prohibited in Islam.
I'm not drinking bad drinks.
Yeah.
No, but I'm smoke.
You know what? I never ever had a smoke in my life. I never done this. I don't do this
Oh,
ever
good,
in my life.
good. My dad, uh, Bangladesh. Go to Bangladesh.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Oh, tell him to come to Bangladesh.
Yes, working.
Working for what?
Yes, working to Bangladesh.
Oh, what work?
1 year.
Your father used to work in Bangladesh for 1 year?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now, what does he do now?
If
Oh, welding. Welding. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
metal.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I got it. Yeah. And teach me your language.
Say salam.
Salam we say also. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Another word. It's common.
Say men
Men,
seni
Jene,
suyemin.
Soyemun.
Yes, good.
What is that
And
meaning?
men seni suyemin translate I kiss you.
Oh, okay. I get it. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah.
And uh And I love you.
Okay.
Your language.
Okay. My language. So say আমি
আমি
তোমাকে
তোমাকে
ভালোবাসি.
ভালোবাসিস. আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
Yeah, perfect. You are so brilliant. That means I love you.
Oh, good. Um,
You are looking to and fro. You are looking to and fro.